QuickBooks error PS038. For quick solutions. Solution 1, update QuickBooks. Step 1, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2, then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3, in the Overview tab click on Update Now. Step 4, if you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5, when you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 6, once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart, click OK on the pop-up. Step 7, create a backup of your desktop company files. Solution 2, send your payroll data or data usage. Step 1, in QuickBooks, go to the Help tab and select QuickBooks Usage and Analytic Studies. Step 2, then click on Continue. Step 3, if the process was successful, go to the Employees tab then select Get Payroll Updates. Step 4, check the number next to the You are using tax table version. Step 5, then select Download Entire Update and click on OK. Solution 3, identify stuck paycheck. Step 1, in QuickBooks, select the Edit tab and go to Find. Step 2, go to the Advanced tab. Step 3, in the Choose Filter section, select Detail Level from the list. Step 4, next, select Summary Only. Step 5, now go back to the filter list, select Online Status, then select Online to Send. Step 6, once done, go back to Find and you'll see the number of paychecks that weren't sent to Intuit. Solution 4, verify and rebuild your data. Step 1, go to File, select Utilities, then click on Verify Data. Step 2, click OK on the Verify Data pop-up and it'll start verifying the data. Step 3, once the verifying process is complete, if you get a warning message, click Close. Step 4, now, to rebuild your data, go to File, select Utilities, and then Rebuild Data. Step 5, when you get the pop-up information, click OK to create a backup. Step 6, select Local Backup and click Next. Step 7, click on Browse and select the location where you want to save the backup, then click OK. Step 8, select the No Verification option and click OK. Step 9, next, select Use this location on the pop-up window, then click on Save. Step 10, once the backup is complete, it'll automatically start rebuilding the data file. Step 11, when the rebuild has completed, click OK. Step 12, now, check and see if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 877469029 8 +44 800 0548 150.